Hello, and it's just the results of the poll. As you can see, the Hurricane has just about pipped first place, but I'm going to be a bit naughty and build the P-51 first. The Hurricane will be shortly behind, or maybe done at the same time. Somebody wants me to build a jet, so if I got time left and I feel all right about it, I'll do that. We'll find out what it is at the time. But yeah, so this is just an introduction to my little video where I speak quickly and say kit a lot, and this is it. So enjoy, or try to enjoy, or don't, I don't know. Can't force you, can I? This is the next kit I'm going to build. Well, it's not really. This is the next livery of the kit I'm going to build. But I'm not keen on the shape of the wing for the Hasegawa kit. I don't know if you can see this. The way it is. So look, you can see that really the wing shape there. I find it a bit too exaggerated, the curve. Right here you can see that with the thing. You can see there's a dip in the wing on the trailing edge. It seems to be too much of an exaggerated dip on the wing trailing edge. So what I've done, what I thought I might do, is to try and see if the wing of the Afix kit would fit the Hasegawa kit. So I had a bit of a fettling, and the answer is no. There's a gap there, look, on the between the wing root and this part here leaves a gap as well, doesn't it? I can't make filling up parts, and it probably wouldn't fit anyway because another Afix kit with all the parts. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to build this kit here, but put the decals of the Hasegawa kit on as the build. So take this off there. I'll keep the Hasegawa kit in case one day in the far future I might want to use it for some sort of what if kit or a bit of fun kit, or even make the other decals from that kit, you know. I keep on saying kit all the time, I'll stop watching myself, let alone put everybody else off. Got this on the outside, but the kit itself is this on the inside. Alright. Thank you. I hope you understand what I meant by all that. Anyway, we'll see some progress as things go on. In the meantime, have a nice week.